Alright, so y'all know what the deal is. Rucka Rucka Ali. Somebody wanted me to check out Just Like Black People. Y'all know we're not a stranger to this. So let's go ahead and check out the video.
RuckaWorld.com.
Rucka Rucka Ali.
Baby, I'm being a black dude tonight, turning my head off to the side, just like black people's, like black people's, yo. Maybe I'll drink a little Sprite. I can smell chicken from mine, just like black people's, like black people's, yo. Baby, I'm gonna watch some BT and walk with a limp like E.T.
Yep.
And you'll be mad that I live behind you. And in the dark, you won't see me. I'm invisible, but you can see my teeth.
Damn.
I'm like a floating smile beside you. Yeah, sipping grape soda, hitting some tree, trying to give all white bitches a dick.
Yeah.
I can play tennis or hockey, and I can swim or jet ski. You know the man be holding me down, pulling me over because I'm brown, and because I'm selling meth and weed and coke. Baby, I'm being a black dude tonight. I'm bringing a gun to a pillow fight, just like black people's, yo. Got me up in that solid right. Couple tattoos of Jesus Christ, just like black people's, yo. Baby, so if I try, it's not enough. Always get blamed for stealing stuff.
Damn.
How would you like if everyone judged you? A watermelon, I'll eat it up. And
Well,
a
that
black man, I'll beat him up. It's not my fault, I can never trust you. Yeah, I can start over, it's too late for me. I'll be in jail till I'm 93. I can pretend that I'm free in a state penitentiary. I've been in the system since I was born. No one ever told me right and what's wrong. How you expecting me to fucking know? Bro, baby, I'm being a black dude tonight.
Yep.
I never have weed and I need a ride. Just like black people's,
Yep.
black people's,
Yep.
black people's, yo. Maybe I'll learn to read tonight. I'll be the teacher and she's white. Just like black people's, like black people's, yo. Baby, I'm at Popeyes.
Yep.
I'm a black guy. I can't get a black guy. I stole a car. I mean, it's mine. Don't tell my mom. Black and a black, so don't mess with me. Black is a black, cause a black, they arrested me. Why's it gotta be like that? 'Cause I'm black, can I sell and smoke crack? You don't wanna live next to me? Don't bother me, I won't bother you. What are you, racist? What basis? You call me lazy? You see me on the corner hustling all day. Give me money, come on, I got bills to not pay. I got things I need, like
Gotta do what we gotta do.
Give me money, come on, I got kids to not feed. I buy my weed on the 1st and 15th. Arrest me, come on, I got rights for you to not read. Yeah, boy. Baby, just like black people's, like black people's, yo. Baby, I'll eat a chicken pie, knocking on the Xbox tonight. I'll play basketball, like black people's, yo. Baby, come get me high. I hit you back next time, and I need a ride. Yeah. I jump real high. My teeth are bright. I wake up at night. Just kidding, I'm not racist.
Really? Oh, really?
RuckaWorld.com.
Oh, man. Alrighty then. Y'all seen it. Just like black people. Just like black people. Everything he said is actually correct, basically. Whether you want to accept it or not, he's right. But he made it funny. That's what makes it alright. Post your comments down below. Let me know what you guys thought. If y'all enjoyed my reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 3 million subscribers. I am out. 7,000. See ya.